What is the approximate number of passengers from Turkey in Japan?
Roughly, it's about 17,000 people every year, and it was 2015, roughly about 70,000 people. Yes.
That's too much amount. And what do you expect from 2017?
2017, I think the number of the visitors to Japan is gradually increasing. So I think it's going to be more than 70,000 or 18,000 people.
We hope so.
I hope so, yes.
We hope so. So, what does your people in Japan, what do they think about Turkey? What do they know about Turkey?
I think in Japan people know about Turkey, and I think historically we have good relationship, so we have good perception, impression to Turkey. Yes.
So, are they willing to come to Turkey, do you think?
I think so. Right now I think it's a very difficult time, but I think it's going to be, yes, it's going to be back to the normal. Yeah, we hope so, yeah.
Last question I will ask you. What do you think is the most important for Turkish tourists?
I think right now I feel the cost of the things, like they have impression that Japan is a very expensive country. So actually it's not so expensive in Japan. So so I think it's better to give the information about prices, real prices in Japan. So, yeah.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Have a good time. Welcome.